tumataas lang ba yung standards mo for happiness? Or may kulang talaga? O kapag tumatanda ka na, iba na yung Pasko? Mas komplikado. Hello everyone, and welcome to You Matter Avenue, featuring Unspoken Thoughts, Liam Chalk. So, this is my episode 3, and I decided to also have, a quick take on this notion na napaisip na rin ba kayo since it's holiday season or Christmas season. Dati kasi yung concept natin simple yung saya. Yung kahit maliit na regalo or kahit kumpleto na yung pamilya, parang sapat na. But then as we grow older, parang ang dami na expectations. We tend to look, dapat mas bongga yung handa, mas marami ng gifts, mas maganda dapat yung celebration. Napapaisip din ba kayo minsan kung tumataas lang ba yung standards mo for happiness? Or may kulang talaga? O kapag tumatanda ka na, iba na yung Pasko? Mas komplikado, higit na iba kaysa dati. Diba? So, hinahanap natin yung meaning every season. And I always remind myself then, now, not everyone's Christmas is merry and bright. Do you agree? Yun yung reality na hindi lahat may pribilehiyo na mag-celebrate sa araw na ito. Kasi unang-una, masaya ba talaga ang lahat tuwing Christmas? Because it's a mix, ng pakiramdam for some. Kasi kapag December, right, ang daming lights, gifts, parties, and also family reunions. But sa facade, yun yung nakikita natin, di ba? Pero sa likod ng mga festive images, di ba? May mga taong hindi ganun yung experience. That's why we have to also be gentle on them, right? Some people spend Christmas alone. Just like our overseas Filipino workers talaga na, malayo sa pamilya. O kaya naman yung mga nawalan ng mahal sa buhay ngayong taon, di ba? Merong struggle sa kanila. Kaya hindi nila fully ma-feel yung season na to. And I think that's valid, right? And meron din may mga financial struggles. Kasi hindi lahat afford yung paghahanda or regalo this Christmas season. Kasi I think Christmas can really highlight both joy and at the same time pain. Do you agree with it? That's why kailangan talaga ma-acknowledge natin yung katotohanan na yung season na to, let's make it more human, right? Isipin natin yung mga estudyante na hindi makauwi sa province dahil wala silang pamasahe, they're not capable to do that. Or isang single parent na nag-iisip kung paano pagkakasyahin yung 500 peso budget para sa Noche Buena, right? May mga families na dumadaan sa grief. First Christmas nila, hindi visible yung loved one nila. Kasi nga, pumanaw and this year. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na wala silang faith or hope. It simply means na iba yung color ng Christmas nila. Diba? Hindi kasi laging bright. Diba minsan, reflective or muted yung celebration ng season na to. And speaking of those families na dumadaan sa grief, first Christmas without a loved one, right? I think it's also important na makita natin na ang Christmas, it's not just about the glitter and the gifts. It's about presence, right? Compassion, and remembering the deeper meaning of why we are trying to celebrate it. And I try to read some books and articles in relevance to this, and I came up with some important highlights of those that I realized. And that's the first thing is empathy. If you know someone na tahimik lang ngayong Pasko, diba? You can reach out. It won't take a lot of time to message them and ask them, how are you doing? I hope this season is gentle on you. Diba? And the next one is simplify. Kasi hindi naman kailangan grand gestures. Diba? Or grandiosity yung makita natin para maging meaningful. Pangatlo, it's about sharing hope. Diba? Ang gandang salita sa Filipino. Pag-asa. Diba? And pag-asa really, it somehow gives us a glimpse of a small act of kindness. It really matters because Christmas becomes brighter when we make space for other people. And yeah, not everyone's Christmas is merry and bright. And that's the reality that we have to recognize. And the important thing is we're trying to honor both the paradox of life, the joy and the struggles. Diba? If you're happy this season, that's very nice. You celebrate with gratitude. If you're trying to, overcome some challenges or struggles deep inside, you have to always remember that your story matters. May halaga yung kwento na meron ka this season. So, yeah. I hope this year was somehow a good year for you. It helped you. It provided you some opportunities to learn and meet new people, new experiences. Diba? Yun yung mahalaga din. And I hope a lot of things are in store for you. So something like a good opportunity in the time ahead. What else? Also, more time with your family and friends. And of course, deep faith. Diba? Yung pananampalataya natin sa nakatataas or the higher being. So it will really, help you stay grounded in these trying times. Kasi tandaan natin na yung mga masasayang season din, minsan it can also trigger the grief, the sadness of other people. So the least thing that we can do is also to give them appreciation the best way we know how. So a simple reach out will do. So yeah, I think that's it. Have a gentle Christmas and holiday season, everyone. This is You Matter Avenue, episode 3. See you in the next episode.